How's it going? I hope I got you doing well. Yeah, I did. That's good. I don't think I have much to say today. I just kind of want to enjoy the rain. Does that sound good? Just sit by you and take in that sound. The leaves colliding equally with the water droplets. The water hitting the concrete. And falling down off the roof into a gutter or into a drainage pipe, all into that familiar sound. It's so soothing, not smoothing, same difference. We don't really get the ability to sit down and enjoy it. When we do, it's certainly something. It's something to appreciate. Something to take in. I love you. I love you, dearest. My sweet baby. I love you like I love the rain. And I love the rain more than you could ever imagine. I love you. Have I ever told you how proud I am of you? You always put yourself down for not being able to do what you want. And yet, you always seem somehow on top of it all. I wish I could learn from you. You always seem so amazing, radiant, like a star, burning so bright that you might just go blind looking at it too long. I wish I could be like you. Yes, I know it's bad to compare yourself to others, but who wouldn't want to be you? I mean, you're perfect. There's no other way to describe you. And you're not perfect because there's no flaws that you have, but you're perfect because you recognize the flaws and you try and improve off of them. Something that a lot of people don't get the time to do. Or don't acknowledge. Either way. You're beautiful. You're perfect. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of what you do. And I'm proud of what you will do. I'm proud of your choices. And I love you. I love you a lot. Sometimes I wish that I could just go away with the rain. Come back every now and again, but never permanently. Sure, I may be gloomy and sad to some people, but to that select few people, I'm the brightness that the sun doesn't bring. I'm a type of satisfaction that some people just can't get anywhere else. I wish I was a lot more, I guess, just easy to like. If I had best description I could offer. I acknowledge sometimes people fall into the trap of liking me, but it serves them a plate colder than any dish previously served, most times. I guess that kind of makes me sound like one of those, what, pick-me's, whatever. But I don't know. Either or. I don't know. I'm just hoping that I'm not gonna fall into a downfall of seeing things in the forest. Because I've seen enough already outside of it.